Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel, and I'm so happy to be in the Dollar Tree train again. This is such a fun collab. Miss Jackie Russell is the host of this collab, and she does this for the different occasions throughout the year. And this one is called Thankful Christmas. So we were to buy items that were either Thanksgiving related or Christmas related, and 10 items each, and ask you that you vote on our video. Not really vote, rate. Rate's the better word. Give me a 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, of how you think I did with what I chose. I chose 10 items that I thought I would use here at my house, and or maybe put some of these in a giveaway. We're all doing giveaways, and I'll tell you about that towards the end. But let me tell you about who's in this collab. I'm just excited about it because it's a lot of fun. We have Miss Jackie Russell, of course, she's the hostess. And then Tracy and Chloe, Unboxing Beauty and More. Tracy does all of our thumbnails and our ads, and she does a fantastic job. So thank you so much, Tracy. And thank you so much, Jackie, for inviting me to this collab. And then we also have Reviews with Sue, Favorites with Laura, Faye Blanchard, Katie's Corner of the World, Lori's Life, Laura Wooten Reviews, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, and our Unboxing with Arlene and me. You will have to be subscribed publicly to all 11 channels. And I have a video that tells you how to be publicly subscribed that I will put in my description. And y'all, if you've never changed your account to public, then you are not public. YouTube makes you private. So if you have any concerns about that, just ask me. I'm happy to explain it to you and happy to help you out with it, okay? Because we want you to win our giveaways. So we'll each have a giveaway. So let me show you what I got, and we'll see what comes of it, okay? I've got a lot of nice things. I'm not sure where to start. All right, we'll start with this. This I thought was really pretty. Look at how pretty this is. This was, so everything at the Dollar Tree is $1.25. So not my Dollar Tree. Now some Dollar Trees have $3 and $5 items. I don't have that. So this was $1.25. I just thought it's so pretty. And really in a pinch, if you're just starting out with an apartment and all, you could put this at the top of your tree. $1.25. I mean, they have great decorations there. Great decorations. I do need Christmas cards always, and they often have beautiful cards at the Dollar Tree. And I wanted to leave that in the package so you could see how pretty it was, but also then I'll take it out. This is a 12-pack of very nice quality looking cards. So we've got that one, Oh Holy Night. We've got this beautiful one. We've got this beautiful one. I think there's 4 designs in this package, and then this one. So I thought these were very nice quality, and they're big size. So sometimes I'll send somebody a sheet mask and that'll fit in this card. So I like that. $1.25 for how many did I say? 12 cards. So I thought that was really good. And I got these bags. These are treat bags. And these I'm just gonna leave in here for now. These are great treat bags. I'm a snowman fanatic. And look at how nice these treat bags are. These are you twist that down, and then you'll bend the ends, and you've got your cookies or your candies in there. Great stocking stuffer bags. And Camille's coming through. And I did get, now I will say I got all Christmas, y'all. I didn't mean to necessarily, but I've got my Thanksgiving up there. And so I ended up getting all Christmas items. And then I got this cute sign, which will go up here as soon as I change over to Christmas. It says, "Let it snow." Like I said, I'm a snowman fanatic. And it's just, it's just pressed board or whatever it is. But isn't it cute? I love it. Love it, love it. And I can leave that up through the holidays. It doesn't have to be just for Christmas. And this I thought was really pretty. I can put this, I have many doors in the house, and I thought this was pretty. It says doorknob hanger. And this came in different decorations, and I like the black and white plaid. I thought was pretty. So, and you can use, if you're creative, I used to be creative, y'all. Used to be very creative. You can make your packages and put something like this on a package, and to add some festivity to your package, would be nice. And like I said, I'm a snowman fanatic. So they had this adorable guy. This is just, I don't even think it's styrofoam. I think it's just plastic. It's super lightweight. And he's just adorable with, stick arms and his cute scarf and everything. Just adorable. And I got this because I thought it was just too cute to pass up. This says Christmas cheer. It's hard to see. I'm sorry about the glare, but it's just a little champagne flute without a stem. Christmas cheer, and you know, maybe have a little something to celebrate the holiday, maybe. And I got this pretty, always have to have some kitchen towels. This one says, wishing you a Merry Christmas, wishing you a Merry Christmas. Isn't that one pretty? Pretty colors. And this is, you know, a nice absorbent towel. And I got these, y'all, this was $1.25. I have gotten these before, and they come in handy because if they break or if you lose them, first of all, they look like glass, but they're not, they're plastic. So I'll show you, I'll take a couple out. So look at how good they look. They look like real glass, but they're not. And they do have, down at the bottom of the container, they do have the string so you can hang these on your tree. And I wanted to show y'all, if you remember not too long ago, I got this jar, and I told you what I was gonna do with it. Was going to put things like this in it to decorate. So let me show you that real fast. So I've put them all in here, and I got these in the past. These are rechargeable lights. You can put something like that in there, and it'll light up the whole bowl. Or if you have something like this, where you have a string, these fairy lights are great. You can put these all through and mix that in there. I'll just show you really quick. I'm not going to take it all apart to show you, but it'll highlight everything in there, and you can run that all through the balls. It would make a great display with something that you already own, like this, something you already own, and you just have $1.25 invested in there, and they'll stay nice and safe. And then the last thing I got was this Whack-A-Pack balloons. These are adorable. These are a lot of fun. What these are great stocking stuffers, great for the kids to play with. You can say to and from on them. You can put them in a card. Let me see, I can't remember exactly what you do with it, but you open it, you smack the pack, and then watch and wait, it says. So I think that you open it first. Let's check it out. Okay, let's see. All right. Ooh, there it goes. I whacked it, and there it goes. And I'm not sure if I was supposed to open it first or not. But it blows up into an ornament. You can feel the cold in there. And it comes with these strings so you can hang this on the tree. It's still, can you hear it? It's still blowing up. And the kids will get a kick out of this, to have one of these in their stocking. And then you'll just add this string. Whoops. Add the string, and you can hang it on the tree or on the mantelpiece or wherever. And it's a pack of 4. So I'm going to have for you a mystery giveaway, because there's just not enough time to show you everything in the giveaway. And it'll be nice. I always send out a nice giveaway, and I hope that you'll enjoy it, whoever is the winner. And to win, you have to be publicly subscribed to me and to the other channels in the collab. And if you are new to any of the channels, take the time, please, to watch their videos. We'd like you to watch all videos, all 11 videos in this collab. And if you watch them in full so that you can follow all of the instructions, and then also when you're done, if you're new to that channel, when you're done watching that video, then subscribe, because YouTube wants to make sure that you're really wanting to subscribe. If you just go and pop through the whole playlist and subscribe to everybody, you might get knocked off. And if you're not subscribed to one of us, you are not eligible to win the giveaway. And again, you have to be publicly subscribed, and I stress that because I've had a YouTube channel for over 3 years now, and there's still some of you that do not understand what I'm even talking about, saying publicly subscribed. So if you don't know what that means, ask me. I'm happy to answer you and tell you about it. I have a video of how to change your account in my description, like I said before. Please look at it. And I think that's really about it. I've just got the usual rules. We all have our own little rules, so please pay attention to them. YouTube is not responsible for this giveaway. I will get a tracking number on the package, and I will send that to you, and then I'm no longer responsible once I give it to the post office. I've never had any package get lost. I've had a package get waylaid for a couple of weeks, but it eventually got to the winner. If you are allergic to anything I send you, I'm so sorry, but I'm not responsible for that. If let's see what else I got to tell you. You have to have an address in the U.S. It doesn't have to be continental United States. In the U.S., you have to have an address. You can live anywhere in the world, but I have to be able to send it somewhere in the U.S. and then they can forward it to you if you have family here. You should be 18 years or older, and there might be some other rules there in my description. They're always in my description, so take a look at that. And here, this is finally popped out, so a lot of fun for the kids. I hope that y'all enjoyed my Dollar Tree collection of things that I got, and I'm excited to get to decorating soon. And I hope that you're enjoying the holiday season, and Merry Christmas to y'all. Christmas cheer to you, and y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.